Yo, what's going on EDM YouTube? My name is Frisky. I'm an EDM content creator. I go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I love to vlog about them. And today we are going to Okeechobee. It's my first time going to Okeechobee. I'm here with my friend Zach. You've probably seen him at the Forbidden Kingdom Music Festival vlog. I picked him up from the airport. We are like midway. He got a little bit hungry, so right now we are stopping at Dunkin' Donuts to get some food. But yeah, this is Thursday. I am probably gonna get there around 8:30 to pick up my wristband, head to the campsite, and I'm hoping to catch 2 feet. But okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe, follow, all that jazz. Thanks. Oh snap, big ball over here. What'd you get?
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
So we stopped to get gas, and then some guy was like, hey, I don't want to go get my change. You can have the rest of my gas. So this guy literally helped me fill up my tank, thank God. And then he sat here while I went and got pumpkin seeds. There's hella cops here. So, I mean, we're not doing anything wrong, but the entire highway is just covered with like police officers. So we're about 30 minutes away from credentials. Okay, so we got our credentials. Okay, I got my credentials, and they was like in the middle of nowhere, so we almost thought we were like lost, but luckily they had enough signs, and there was enough cops directing us where to go. We are now waiting in line at the GA camping spot. I mean, I'm VIP, but my buddy here is, you know, yeah, here's a line. So we went to ticketing help to get the 88 pass. They called in someone in a golf cart. Oh yeah, and I'm eating these hot Cheetos. They called someone in a golf cart, and they're gonna direct us where to go.
All right, goodbye, friends.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Take it easy.
Well, I don't have the placard. It said like follow you in. Getting escorted. Squire, don't hit the golf cart.
We're following the golf cart to our destination, sir.
Which is still unknown.
Look at everybody else getting checked. And we're just being escorted.
We show up. Yeah, you can say that.
I'm like kneeling so I get some light. So yeah, they escorted us to our parking spot. Our neighbor, Zach's talking to our neighbors. This is how a legend gets ready. We've been waiting for him for like 30 minutes. Just kidding.
You already know. Show him the leg. Now you can get a good look at it.
A good look at it. We're just doing the thing. We're entering Okeechobee,
Yes,
and we got a ride here. And we made some friends.
Hi.
It is a clusterfuck right now. They should have actually barred this entire thing so that people could just get the fuck out of here.
Oh shit, tell him, Annie.
and your Zaki Poo.
Do you want to wait? Sprout, yeah. You made
Yeah, 10 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. One actually like 2 hours ago.
I'm gonna get that zip up.
Maybe if we didn't have to stop for ice 3 times.
Fuck you, man. We actually didn't even need the ice, which is funny. We could have gotten it later. Beautiful. Oh my god, like glitter.
Wait. Keep the taco bite.
Nom, 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 nom.
Oh my god.
And then again, we got Mama Wubby. And then Deep Fleur Armistice. Ching-ching. And then Zaggy Poo. We got the fam. Except Eric, he's sleeping.
Just normal festive vibes, you know.
We're heading back to the ADA camping.
Gang shit.
Don't lose your pole.
You get wonky with it.
So we have made it through day 0 of Okeechobee, and we've been very fortunate to have ADA at Okeechobee because they've been kind of giving us right to and from our campsite. Yeah, Zach's doing his best.
Yeah.
He's worked all day today. He's worked all day today, plus going to a festival on that. So, and then my left knee is busted. So we're doing our best here. Yeah. Okay. Though that ends vlog 0. Time for day 1.